Good morning, honorable committee members. I am Tharat Chaimonkul from the Information Technology Department, Chiang Mai Technical College, Thailand. Today, I am pleased to present our innovation, Pico Pi Training Kit, an all-in-one IoT learning board using Raspberry Pi Pico W. In the modern world, industry needs many workers with skills in IoT and embedded systems. However, in vocational education, teaching these subjects still faces the same old problems. Students spend a lot of time connecting complicated circuits. The equipment is not standardized. Teachers spend more time fixing hardware problems than helping students develop programming skills. As a result, students may understand the theory, but they are not confident in building IoT systems by themselves. From my own teaching experience in IoT classes, I found that more than half of the lab time is spent fixing problems such as loose wires, sensors not responding, and setting up the board. Because of these problems, students have less time to design code, be creative, and fully test their systems. AIR is the innovation we created to solve these problems. We designed the Pico Pi Training Kit as a ready-to-code training board that includes everything an IoT laboratory needs on one board. It consists of a Raspberry Pi Pico W microcontroller with built-in Wi-Fi, 4 switches and 3 potentiometers for inputs, outputs including LEDs, a relay, a buzzer, and a DC motor, display modules, an I2C LCD and a 4-digit 7-segment display, and key sensors such as DHT11, DS18B20, LM35, LDR, and an addressable RGB light strip, WS2812B. With the Pico Pi Training Kit, students can write MicroPython code and send data to a real-time cloud dashboard instantly, with no extra jumper wires and no complicated wiring. To make sure this innovation is not just a simple training kit, but a real teaching tool developed through research and improvement, we evaluated its effectiveness using a research-based process. We conducted an experiment using a one-group pre-test post-test design with 24 second-year information technology students at Chiang Mai Technical College. The study lasted 15 weeks, with a total of 75 hours of learning. The effectiveness evaluation of the teaching kit showed E1, E2 equals 75, 1576.63, which is higher than the Thai vocational education standard of 75/75. For learning achievement, the post-test scores were significantly higher than the pre-test scores with p less than 0.001, and the effect size was 3.13, which is considered a very large effect. In addition, 5 experts evaluated the teaching kit and rated its overall suitability as excellent. Using the Pico Pi Training Kit in real classrooms has been very positive. Teachers can take back the time they used to spend fixing hardware problems. Students can spend more time designing code, creating smart home systems, building temperature and humidity monitors, and making IoT dashboards using real data from their own sensors. This clearly improves both their technical skills and their confidence. The key strengths of this innovation are: it is low cost and can be used with many student groups. It is scalable for vocational colleges across the country, and it matches the updated 2024 vocational curriculum, especially the IoT course. Finally, the Pico Pi Training Kit shows that we can transform an IoT laboratory full of messy wires into a clean, hands-on learning platform where students can really build systems and apply their skills directly to industry needs. Thank you very much for your kind attention.